As GMA celebrates its 70th anniversary, GMA Regional TV treats Cebuanos to star-studded back-to-back Kapuso Sinulog Festival Activities. Luan May Rondina has more.
Millions of supporters and fans came to see Kapuso stars in mall shows held in Talisay City and Cebu City. The stars of the upcoming GMA drama Anak ni Waray versus Anak ni Biday, Kate Valdez, Migo Adezer, and Barbie Forteza. The stars of Bilangin ang Bituin sa Langit, Yasser Marta and Kailin Alcantara. And All Out Sundays, Julian San Jose. Kate Valdez, Migo Adezer, and Barbie Forteza. Watch out every week for All Out Sundays and upcoming dramas, Bilangin ang Bituin sa Langit on GMA Afternoon Prime and Anak ni Waray versus Anak ni Biday on GMA Telebabad. Together with Lian Sinculan and Cleofer Lumayag, I am Luan May Rondina for GMA Regional TV.